Today, we're diving into the world of smart home technology with a review of the best robot vacuum cleaners on the market. Whether you're tired of constant cleaning or just want to enjoy a spotless home with minimal effort, these robot vacuums are game changers. I'll be breaking down their features, performance, and value for money to help you find the perfect cleaning companion. Plus, I've included all the product links in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Starting off our list with best budget, Eufy 11s Max. First, let's talk about the design. The Eufy 11s Max is sleek and compact with a height of just 2.85 inches, making it one of the slimmest robotic vacuums on the market. This low profile allows it to clean under most furniture easily. One of the standout features of the 11s Max is its navigation. It uses a straightforward, random pathing system to move around and avoid obstacles. While it doesn't have advanced mapping capabilities, it provides even coverage and rarely gets stuck. Equipped with a 0.6-liter dustbin, the Eufy 11s Max can hold a significant amount of dirt and debris, reducing the frequency of emptying. Performance-wise, it boasts powerful suction, making it effective on various surfaces, especially hard floors. However, it may struggle with deep cleaning on thicker carpets. It features Boostic technology, which automatically increases suction power when extra vacuuming strength is needed. One of the primary drawbacks is its lack of advanced navigation technology. It relies on random navigation, which can result in missed spots and a less efficient cleaning. It also lacks app connectivity and smart home integration, which means users cannot control it via their smartphones or voice assistants. Next up, we have the best vacuum and mop robot. Dreame X30 Ultra. Featuring a self-cleaning base, the X30 Ultra takes convenience to a new level by automatically emptying both the mop and vacuum sections. Its Mop Extend technology allows it to reach even the most awkward spots in your home. Equipped with 8,300 pascals of suction power and dual rotating mop pads, this robot handles dirt and grime effortlessly. Its anti-tangle brush ensures maintenance is a breeze, and with the new Tri-Kit brush option, hair is automatically cut and removed. The DreameBot X30 Ultra comes with an advanced app that uses AI to customize cleaning routines based on your home's layout. You can create virtual walls, no-go zones, and even set specific cleaning schedules. Whether it's hardwood, carpet, or tiles, the X30 Ultra adapts its cleaning mode to suit every surface. Powered by a 6,400 mAh battery, it offers up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to the dock to recharge. However, it comes with a high price tag, and its self-cleaning base might not be as effective as expected. Additionally, its obstacle avoidance isn't perfect. Next up, best for pet hair robot Roomba S9 Plus. First, let's talk about its standout feature, Perfectage technology. This utilizes advanced sensors and a specially designed corner brush to ensure it reaches every nook and cranny, especially along edges and in corners where dirt often hides. However, this precision can sometimes result in longer cleaning time. Next up is the VSLM navigation. The Roomba S9 Plus captures over 230,000 data points per second to create a detailed map of your home. However, this advanced mapping can sometimes be thrown off by new obstacles, requiring a remap. You can schedule cleanings, set up no-go zones, and even direct the vacuum to specific areas via the iRobot Home app. This customization is a major plus, though it does come at a higher price point. It empties its own bin into a disposable bag that holds up to 60 days of debris, reducing the frequency of manual emptying. This convenience is fantastic, but keep in mind the cost of replacement bags. For allergy sufferers, the S9 Plus features an allergen lock bag that captures 99% of pollen, mold, and dust mites, helping to keep your home's air clean and fresh. This is a huge benefit. One of the challenges with the S9 Plus is that it sometimes triggers a second cleaning pass even when it's not necessary. This leads to longer cleaning times and increased water and solution use. Moving down the list, most demanded, Shark AI Ultra. First, let's talk about its AI laser vision. This technology allows the Shark AI Ultra to accurately map your home and navigate with precision, avoiding obstacles in real time. However, it can occasionally struggle with very dark or reflective surfaces. Another standout feature is the Ultra Clean mode. This mode increases the suction power to deep clean carpets and handle tough messes. The downside is that the increased power can make the vacuum noisier. The Shark AI Ultra also boasts an impressive multi-surface brush roll that adapts to different floor types, from hardwood to carpets. This versatility ensures consistent cleaning across your home. However, some users have noted that the vacuum can struggle with transitioning between different floor types smoothly. Additionally, the Shark AI Ultra features a high-efficiency filter that captures dust, dander, and allergens, improving the air quality in your home. This is especially beneficial for allergy sufferers. However, the filter needs regular cleaning or replacement to maintain its effectiveness. While it has a few minor drawbacks such as noise levels and occasional navigation issues, its benefits far outweigh the cons for many users. At last, best overall robot vacuum, Roborock Q5. The Roborock Q5 is a powerhouse in the world of robotic vacuums. It boasts advanced mapping technology that allows it to navigate your home with precision, avoiding obstacles and ensuring no spot is missed. The 2-in-1 vacuum and mop functionality means it can handle both dry and wet cleaning tasks, making it versatile for different floor types. With a powerful suction of up to 2,000 PA, the Q5 Plus can easily pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair. It's particularly effective on carpets and hard floors, delivering a thorough clean every time. The high-capacity battery ensures up to 180 minutes of runtime, perfect for larger homes. While the Roborock Q5 offers a lot of high-end features, there are a few things to consider. Some users might find the initial setup and mapping process a bit complex, and it's priced on the higher end compared to other models. In conclusion, the world of robotic vacuums offers a diverse range of options, each catering to different needs and budgets. When choosing the best vacuum robot, it's essential to consider factors like cleaning efficiency, smart features, ease of maintenance, and cost. Ultimately, the best vacuum robot is the one that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle and meets your specific cleaning needs.